any foreign vendor who has bank account in GIFT IBU of Indian bank or foreign branch.
Okay, so what is the question? Such receipt will be considered as income deemed to receipt. Yes, that is right. Benefit of DTAA is available to foreign taxpayer. So as we saw earlier, that whenever an Indian company is making a payment to a vendor, foreign vendor, if it is in relation to those kind of income which is specified under section 10(4)(d) or under any of the earlier sections what we saw, then TDS is not applicable. Otherwise, TDS is applicable at the normal rates.
Second question is, depreciation in tax holiday period will be carried forward as unabsorbed depreciation?
Yes, that is how it will be considered, because unlike 10AA or 80IA where you had a specific provision, here 80LA there is no specific provision. So ideally it would be carried forward as unabsorbed depreciation. I'm sorry, I think I stand corrected here. Depreciation, whatever is there, okay, if you have there is a loss, so let's say there is an unabsorbed depreciation in the tax holiday period, you will not be eligible to claim reduction under 80LA. Because under section 80 overall, what it says that all deductions under chapter 6A cannot exceed your GTI. So if your GTI is 0 or negative, assuming you have unabsorbed depreciation, you will not get any deduction under 80LA. So technically this question will not arise because you will not have unabsorbed depreciation.
Next question is, relaxation in prohibitory conditions with respect to depreciation, amalgamation or demerger are intentionally given or just initial loopholes? Or is there any chance of future restrictions?
So it is difficult for me to comment on what is the, I would say, the intention of the legislature. My understanding is it may be a drafting error and they would correct it, but principally it will always be an amalgamated company or resulting company who will be eligible for claiming a deduction. So you can't have deduction being claimed in both the companies, amalgamating and amalgamated. That I don't think should be is allowed.
Next question is, which provisions or sections of the IT Act provides the exemption to category 1 and 2 of AIF?
So there are 1023 FB and other sections which are already reproduced in the slide deck, which provides for exemption for category 1 and 2 AIF.
Now, regarding the real estate investment trusts, they are asking whether it can be set up in IFSC.
Yes, definitely. So
can foreign subsidiary of Indian holding company can set up step down subsidiaries in IFSC? Can it be considered as round tripping of fund?
Okay, see, let's understand one thing, that when you are setting up an operations or when you're setting up a company in IFSC, it is considered an overseas direct investment because IFSC is an ODI. Now, if an Indian company has set up a company in, let's say, USA, which is a foreign company, a foreign subsidiary of Indian holding company, below USA, you want to set up a company in IFSC. Okay, now what will that IFSC company do? Because IFSC company cannot transact with any other Indian company. It can only transact with IFSC units, or it can transact with persons resident outside India, or let's say foreign companies. So technically the funds are never going to come to India. So I don't think this could be considered as a round tripping of funds. But be that it may be, it's better to take a clarification. And I think yesterday was our best speaker, Kamlesh Sharma ji, to answer this question.
Can shipping company in IFSC apply for exemption under section 172?
Definitely. So I think shipping company will also be covered under IFSC and it can apply for exemption under section 172.
I think that is all. Because the last question, it is a very question. I don't think it will be possible for us to disclose on who is registered and who is not.
Correct.
So that sums up the session, a wonderful session by CA Soumya Sheth. Is the chairman there? Yes, chairman. Please unmute. Chairman, please unmute yourself. Chairman, please unmute yourself.
Chairman is not able to unmute.
Is Mayank there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Mayank, can you close by giving a
Yeah, sir, I can now
vote of
say
thanks?
they were not. I think they were not
Yes, sir,
allowing me to
definitely.
speak. I think I still have a few days to go as a chairman. I think they were just not allowing me to unmute. But I think thank you so much, Soumya. Excellent session. I think as usual, you were brilliant in whatever stuff you deliver. I think be it income tax or FEMA or any other law for the time being. Thank you, Soumya, for always being there for the session. And I think we have Mayank ji who will give us a vote of thanks. So on behalf of Mayank ji, if we can, on behalf of all of us, we can give a vote of thanks to Soumya.
Yes, definitely. Thanks, Hariji and Rajan Nagar, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I would like to convey our sincere thanks to CA Soumya Sheth for such an enlightening and enriching session on income tax implications for setting up and doing business in GIFT IFSC, or specifically give more perspective on from shipping and AI funds. Further, I would like to add that your remarkable depth of understanding of this subject will make that lecture an exponentially stimulating and informative one. With this, I will end my vote of thanks. Thank you once again, sir, for your time and for such a wonderful session.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here and look forward to further interesting sessions.
Thank
Thanks
you,
a
thank
lot,
you,
sir.
thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mayank, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
We will close the session. Thank you all, everybody, all the
Tomorrow we'll meet
participants.
for the last session for this GIFT City series on
Yeah.
this opportunity for inbound and outbound investment and AIF regulations specifically.
Yes, yes. Thank you to participants. See you tomorrow.